Class 12 Physics Chapter 5 Magnetism and Matter Basic Concepts and Formulae. Now Coulomb's law you have read. दो चार्ज के बीच कुछ डिस्टेंस है. Coulomb has given force between two electric point charges. Coulomb has given electrostatic force between 2 point charges directly proportional to the product of charge, magnitude of product of charges, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance. In the same way, Coulomb has given Coulomb's law in magnetism also. दो मैग्नेट है, दो पोल स्ट्रेंथ है. पोल स्ट्रेंथ क्या हो, QM1 और QM2. दो पोल स्ट्रेंथ है और दोनों के बीच डिस्टेंस क्या R है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू Coulomb's law in magnetism, force between two poles of the magnet is directly proportional to the product of magnitudes of the pole strength and inversely proportional to the square of the distance. If you remove proportional sign, you will give constant mu naught by 4 pi. F is equal to mu naught by 4 pi. This constant has value 10 to the power minus 7. QM1 QM2 by R square. Now electric dipole you have read. Electric dipole moment P is equal to electric dipole moment P is equal to Q into 2L. Magnetic dipole moment M is equal to this QM pole strength into 2L. So electric dipole, electric field at a point on the axial line due to electric dipole EA is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by RQ. In the same way, bar magnet is a magnetic dipole. The magnetic field at a point on the axial line is equal to mu naught by 4 pi 2m by RQ. Similar, magnetic field, the electric field at a point on the equatorial line E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught p by RQ. In the same way, magnetic field at a point on the equatorial line BE is equal to mu naught by 4 pi m by RQ. Also you have read electric dipole is placed in a uniform magnetic field. So a torque is acting. Torque is equal to tau is equal to P sin theta. In the same way, magnetic dipole, bar magnet, is placed and rotated in a magnetic field, uniform magnetic field. So torque is acting. Tau is equal to mb sin theta. In vector you can say tau vector is equal to m vector cross b vector. In the same way, electric dipole is placed in a uniform electric field and it is rotated. So in rotation work is done. That work done is stored in the form of potential energy. Potential energy of electric dipole in a uniform electric field U is equal to minus that this P cos theta. In the same way, magnetic dipole, this bar magnet, is placed in a uniform magnetic field. So potential energy U is equal to minus mb cos theta. In vector form is equal to minus m dot b. Dipole, magnetic dipole, bar magnet is rotated, and then this, so there will be oscillation. So time period of oscillation of bar magnet or magnetic dipole, tau is equal to 2 pi under root I. This is moment of inertia of the bar magnet divided by m b.